So what I'm doing is I'm pulling all 4 strings. That's right at the same time, but in each bundle I'm pulling them all, and as I'm doing it I'm kind of trying to move it all towards the center, because right now it's sticking off the end of both ends of the grips. See right here, sticking off the end here, and here sticking off the end here. This can't have any kind of interference at all. So as I'm going through here, I'm trying to scrunch everything towards the center as I'm tightening this up. And what I'm hoping is going to happen, because I'm just finishing up my first pass of each one of these. So this is actually just my first attempt at tightening it up to the grip. So I'm hoping is on my second attempt it'll bring it together even more, and I think it will, because you can still see some gaps in here, some of the spots. And that'll actually get a little bit closer to the center of the grip as well. As well as maybe take out some of this unevenness. Now the instructions obviously say to do this the first time using paracord. But I didn't do that. I'm trying leather the first time. And leather leaves a lot of like fuzzies all over the place. So I'm going to fix that one on my next pass. So you can already see a huge difference from when I started this. You know how much better it looks on the grip. Alright, as you can see there, it's starting to twist up a little bit. We're almost at the end, so I definitely don't want any twisting. So I probably should have left those on there so you can see how much we actually pulled out. We pulled out, what, 2, 4, about 6 inches worth of slack that was in here. I suspect in the next turnaround I'm not going to get that. We'll probably get maybe half of that. Mostly because it's already pretty tight. And I don't think we're going to get too much more out of it. Uh-oh. Hold on, I gotta jumped ahead of myself here, and now it's starting to bunch up. And now, of course, this last one's twisting on me. You can see right here, it's twisting. Okay, and that's what it looks like after one pass of all the cords, tightening it up once. Okay. So then later, I'll do that one more time. We should be able to get rid of some of these little slack in between the colors here. It's never gonna have a flat look like on the paracord, just because it's two different thicknesses. The width is the same. The width is still 1/8 of an inch, but the thickness, the black is 1/8 of an inch by 1/8 of an inch, and the red is probably 1/8 of an inch by a 1/16, maybe even a 32nd. But I'm gonna go with a 1/16 of an inch, and that's how that looks so far. It's gonna have those ridges and valleys, so to speak, which for gripping purposes is probably better. You probably get a better grip on it, almost like a stippling. But I didn't get that very tight right there, so I'll catch that one next pass. Okay, so until then, here's what the grip looks like for now, and we will see you next time.